Audible, audible.
Which advice can you give to Coco people for the development of Coco? Because in that life, there will be other tribes identified as Coco people. And when there is maybe some sort of competition, they will be able to raise funds for the development of Coco. And they will also forget that Coco is successful no matter where you are. You never forget Coco is successful.
Yeah, any last word in the dialect? What a young dynamic son. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, man.